Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited because I am taking you along with me to the city of mountains. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Abha. During summers, most of the cities in Saudi Arabia is super hot. But in this city, it's cool, green, and full of misty clouds. So let's explore together. I reached the airport and check-in was done in just 10 minutes. Wow! It was my first time visiting the domestic airport and honestly, I was very impressed. It was even better than the international one. It was time to board and we were all set for takeoff. The flight was just 45 minutes, but there was some turbulence while landing. Just outside the terminal is Abha Airport Park. It's a beautiful green oasis which is perfect for relaxing or taking photos. Our hotel was just 10 minutes away from the airport. Now, let's take a room tour. Around 1:30 p.m. I reached the hotel. For lunch I ordered Inabi grill from Hunger Station. The chicken seekh kebab was absolutely delicious, so juicy. After having lunch, I took a quick break and it was time to explore the city. As soon as I got in the car and started driving, the sky literally amazed me with a beautiful sunset. The first tourist spot is the Art Street. The street is filled with local art, colorful lights, and decorations that glow at night. Right next to the Art Street is the Abha Flower Park. It has different types of trees in various shapes, and if you are a nature lover like me, you are definitely going to love this place. Have you ever thought of walking high up in the mountains or sometimes into the clouds? This place has something for everyone. The Dabab walkway is about 7 kilometers long and 14 meters wide. My last tourist spot for the day is High City. I will be properly exploring the High City tomorrow during the daylight because I want to have a look at the breathtaking views. After visiting the High City, you will cross a bridge and right after that you will reach Abu Khayal Park. It's like any other park in Abha, but with a spectacular view of the city. You can sit, relax, and just enjoy the weather. It's dinner time, and I stopped at a restaurant near the park called Ala Bali. They serve some of the best Lebanese food. I ordered halloumi salad, fattoush, and muhammara. baby chicken is the highlight of the dinner. It's day 2 in Abha and it started with a yummy filling breakfast. Alhamdulillah. I am on my way to one of the most historic place named as Rijal Alma. I took the second route which is through Mohail, and once I reached Mohail it took another 1 hour and 20 minutes to reach. The views I am seeing on the way to the Rijal Alma are absolutely stunning, just like a picture. Perfect scene. When I reached Rijal Alma, I felt like I am stepping back in time. The whole place is full of history and culture. It's known for its beautiful old stone houses. Some of them are hundreds of years old. It's almost like a storybook village. So unique. There's a special building in Rijal Alma where you can watch the documentary about the village history and its unique architecture. I also heard that this place was once a big trading center, so that's why it has a lot of heritage. Now it's one of the most famous historical villages in Saudi Arabia, and even it got recognized by UNESCO. So calm and charming. The museum space also has artifacts, old manuscripts, tools, jewelry, traditional weapons, showcasing life in Rijal Alma. There's a lively market on the ground floor where local artisans display their crafts like colorful pottery, hand-woven textiles, and whatnot. It's a great spot to experience the local culture of Rijal Alma, as the atmosphere is warm and welcoming. I regret not visiting one of the main attractions in the Rijal Alma village called Honey Cottage, because I reached here around 3 p.m. and I had to leave before sunset. So yeah, you should always plan in advance. When I reached Abha, it was time to visit High City in the daytime. Just look at those views. I mean, it's so insane. I'm falling short of words to describe what I saw right now. There's a cable car service in the High City where you can have a beautiful view of the city just before the sunset. The architecture is like European style plaza with mountain views on one side and deep valleys on the other. The view of the Bab walkway during sunset, it's so mesmerizing. There's a restaurant on Art Street named as Raj. Food was absolutely amazing, but one of the staff asked for the bill while we were eating, which really ruined our experience. So that's why we packed our food and went back to the hotel. It was a super tiring day, but worth it. I started my day with any guesses? With a peaceful visit to Abha Dam Lake. Don't follow the route of the Google map because it's under construction. When you visit Abha Dam Lake, there's a road which takes you on top of the mountain. I followed that road and I took this video from there. I am not aware of the location. My next spot is Shamshan Castle. It's basically a historical landmark in Abha, a sea region which takes you back to the Ottoman Empire. It offers a breathtaking panoramic view of the city from every direction. It was constructed by using volcanic granite stone blocks on both facades with smaller stones and clay filling the gaps. On my way to the next spot, that is Sama Park, I came across a branch of Albeck. It's the first one to open with a drive-through. I visited Sama Park because I searched on Google that there was a lake. When I reached, there was nothing. Lesson learned, you should never fully depend on Google. But the views were not bad. I just took a drive to the city of Hamis Mushet, but the weather was very hot. I visited Family Green Park in Hamis Mushet and stayed there for about 15 to 25 minutes. This is the way from where I entered the park. It was full of lush greenery, so peaceful and calm. I went to the food court and sat outdoors to watch the beautiful sunset of the city. I ordered a shawarma from this place and it was not at all worth. And that's the end of this Abha trip. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.